Hi everyone and welcome to my cooking class. My name is Casey Krebs, the owner of Urban Hippie. Today we will be cooking a delicious nut and seed bread. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Your first step when baking the nut and seed bread is to add 1 cup of sunflower seeds to the bowl. Then you'll want to take half a cup of flax seeds and add them in as well. I used whole flax seeds. Pour in half a cup of almonds in for your next step. If you don't have enough, you can always substitute them with a dried fruit for a sweet surprise. I used cherries. After your almonds, add 1.5 cup of oats. Today I'm using our Urban Hippie sugar-free oats. You can find them on our website with a link in the description along with many of our other delicious ingredients. Now add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to your bowl. This is psyllium seed husk. You want to add 4 tablespoons of it to your bowl. This is a great source of fiber and it sweeps out any toxins and can be very filling. Next, add 1 teaspoon of fine-grained sea salt to your bread bowl. Now mix all of it up. We are going to start adding our wet ingredients to the mix. Grab a different bowl or a big measuring cup and pour 1.5 cups of water in it. Now add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Quick tip, to help get your bread out of the pan once it's done a little bit easier, coat your baking pan with melted coconut oil. It also makes the outside of the bread more crisp once it bakes. Now pour the 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil into your wet ingredient bowl. Mix all of the ingredients together. Combine all of your wet ingredients into the bowl with your dry ingredients and make sure you get every last drop. Mix everything until all the liquid has been absorbed. For this part, you'll want to have no liquid left at all in the bowl. Once everything is mixed well, grab your baking pan and pour your mix into it evenly. Then pat it down so that it is firm and as even as possible. After that, place it in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the 20 minutes are up, take the loaf out of the oven, loosen the edges with a knife to help it come out of the pan a little bit easier, flip it over and place it back in the oven for another 30 to 40 minutes so that the outside of the loaf can really cook. If you'd like your bread to last longer, slice it, freeze it, and then toast it 1 piece at a time. The flavor is amazing when you do this. You won't regret it. You can top your nut and seed bread with jam, peanut butter, and one of my favorites is avocado. Thank you for attending my cooking class. Please check out my website by clicking the link below and also subscribe.